The Golden Gate Bridge is an iconic structure connecting the city of San Francisco to Marin County, California. It spans almost 2 miles across the Golden Gate, the narrow strait where San Francisco Bay opens to meet the Pacific Ocean. The dream of connecting San Francisco to its northern neighbors became a reality when construction commenced in 1933. Given the chance for steady employment in the Great Depression, construction crews braved treacherous conditions as the roadway and towers took shape over open water. The Golden Gate Bridge opened to the public in 1937. Has endured as a picture-perfect landmark and an engineering marvel. Following decades of public calls to connect the burgeoning metropolis of San Francisco to its neighbors across the mile-wide Golden Gate, city engineer Michael Shogancy in 1990s was charged with finding someone capable of constructing a bridge at a reasonable cost. The job went to a Chicago-based engineer named Joseph Strauss, a drawbridge builder who believed he could complete the grand-scale project for a modest $25 to $30 million. After submitting his sketch for a cantilever suspension hybrid span in June 1921, Strauss set about convincing the communities on the northern end of the strait that the bridge would be to their benefit. The project gained momentum in May 1923 when the state legislature passed the Golden Gate Bridge and Highway District Act of California for the purpose of planning, designing and financing construction. By August 1925, the people of Marin, Sonoma, Del Norte, and parts of Napa and Mendocino counties had agreed to join the district and offered their homes and businesses as collateral for the securing funds. Despite the economic promises touted by its supporters, the project met fierce resistance from an array of business and civic leaders. Not only would the bridge impede the shipping industry and mar the bay's natural beauty, they argued it would not survive a tumbler like a San Francisco earthquake that crippled the city in 1906. Years of litigations followed as opponents sought to block the formation of the district. Meanwhile, the bridge's famed design took shape through the efforts of the Strauss Delenter team. Leon S. submitted a plan that scrapped the original hybrid designs in favor of a suspension span capable of moving more than 2 feet laterally to withstand strong winds. In November 1930, a mayor passed a law for the issuance of $35 million in bonds to pay for the project. However, the bridge and highway districts struggled to find a financial backer aimed the difficulties of the Great Depression, a problem exacerbated by years of expensive legal proceedings. Desperate, Straw personally sought help from Bank of America President Amadou Gianni, who provided a crucial boost by agreeing to buy $6 million in bonds in 1932. The attempt to build what would be the first bridge support in the open ocean proved an immense challenge, as a 1,100-foot trestles existed off the San Francisco side. Divers pulling to depth of 90 feet through strong currents to blast away rock and remove detonations debris.